is a drop, and the drop has been zoomed in and is being showcased by the newspapers or whatsoever media that's trying to show it out. And let's dive deeper and understand what really happened. Okay, so here are some articles that I read. I'll be sharing that articles down in the comment section as well. But what really happened is that it's not whole Python or the people who work on Python language got fired or replaced. It's just a team in Google who works on maintaining Python language got restructured, or you could say replaced. Okay, so let me show you here what that team really works on. If you look over here, the team is responsible for maintaining Python within Google. So when you talk about big companies in IT field, they will have their own repositories. They won't be like directly pointing out to main Python repo and use it. They will have their internal Python repos. So this is for security related, and or else they want to maintain their own custom packages in Python. So they do that. So this team seems to be the team that maintain the Python inside Google. Okay, that's the important thing that you need to think here. That means, suppose say there is a software developer who works in Python language in Google, he is not affected. He still works on Python, but the team that maintains the Python, those people got replaced. So that's the distinction when you read about this news. So when you say here company, first of all, Sundar Pichai led company. Come on, man. Sundar Pichai is CEO, and writing that, why you could say Google fires Python team. Okay, it's all clickbait here on, but it's okay. Uh, so when it says fires entire Python team, it's not entire Python team, or it's not every employee who works on Python. They removed 10 to 15 people, I think, who works on maintaining the Python internally to Google teams who uses the Python language. Okay, so that's the distinction. It's not entire people who works on Python. It's the team that takes care of Python internally in Google. They are replaced, I think, not removed. So it seems like a cost cutting thing that Google is doing, or some restructuring. And if you look at it, every organization nowadays is doing that restructuring to optimize their teams. Even the company that I work for is doing that restructuring overall, but it is for the betterment of the company and to output more. So that could be the reason that Google did this. So let's not speculate that whole Python team is fired. Okay, I saw some YouTube videos also saying that Google had it coming with its failures with Gemini and Bard. Come on, man. They're doing something here and the news is saying something else. Let's not do that. Uh, and this another speculation out there that AI is taking over those roles. That's completely false. Seems like people are being replaced with a remote team. That's what I got from the research that I did. But AI taking over developer completely is long ahead. If you say what AI is doing now, I would say baby steps for it to run, and it would take a lot of time to do that. Okay, not baby steps. I think it's crawling yet, and it would take a lot of time for it to completely work or completely replace human, and that is long way ahead. I would say on best it would take 15 years on best, and that completely less chance of happening. Okay, now coming to the third point, Python as a language is not being replaced in Google completely. If suppose there is a repo where Python code is being written, that is still going to be there. Okay, they're not replacing it, because I saw some comments saying that it's good thing that Google is doing this, that they're changing Python to other languages. That's not what happening. Okay, and so these are the three things I want to put it out. And if you look, the team that is being replaced or remotely given to other teams, he has done these things. I will comment this, pin this link down for you to refer to. And and coming finally to the conclusion, AI is not taking over. It's long way ahead. Google complete Python workers are not being remote. It's only a team that who takes care of Python repo internally to Google. Those are being replaced. Thirdly, uh, Python as a language is still going to be there. It's long way if you want to replace Python. It's a long cost that no company would be, and a company like Google be able to do that, to replace Python with some other language, because most of their code base could be written in Python, as from the internet. So these three things, remember, AI is not taking over their jobs, they're just being replaced by other team. Secondly, it's not all everyone who works on Python being removed, it's just a few team who takes care of Python internally as a repo in Google. Thirdly, Python is not going anywhere. Okay, so with this, I'll conclude my video. Thank you for watching, and if you want such deep dives further, please do subscribe, comment, share with your friends. Thank you. Peace.